In this video, I'll show you guys how you can add text on your Wix website. So this is actually quite simple to do. All you need to do is go into the Wix editor. So don't go into the Wix ADI system, but go into the actual editor, which looks like this, where you can actually edit. Now, once you're here, all you need to do is click on the plus icon right there. So click on add, and then you'll find all of these different features. And right there at the top, you'll already see text. So you can then click on that. You'll then find theme text, titles, and paragraphs. So pretty much choose what kind of text you want to add. So you can choose a heading, you can choose a title or paragraph, like I said. So all you need to do is select the one that you would like to add. Let's say I want to add a paragraph. You then click on it, and there it is. So you can then drag this out, kind of like create a space where you can add text. You can then click on this, click on edit text right there, and you can then start typing. You can change the font, you can change the font size, you can add effects, you can change the theme. So yeah, that's pretty much how you can add text on your Wix website. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. I would appreciate that, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.